We cannot always build a future for our youth, but we can build them for the future. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Quite an apt reflection as we celebrate International Youth Day 2022 under the theme Intergenerational Solidarity, Creating a World for All Ages. The new strategic direction of the OECS is premised on the inclusion of youth as a cross-cutting theme, as we aspire towards the inclusion of youth voices in all major decision-making. This requires a collaborative and intergenerational effort, where we provide support for the vision of youth, allowing them to unleash their unlimited imagination and liberate their yet untapped potential. As we celebrate and reflect on this International Youth Day, it is important that you recognize that the world in which we live is very uncertain. It is faced with a confluence of factors which affects your development, ranging from climate change, COVID-19, the digital revolution, wars, and other periods of global instability. However, it also presents opportunities that you must seize if you are to shape your destiny and the world that you inherit. If the world is to look like what you as young people want it to be, then you must take control of your destiny. You are poised to redefine our world, not only because of your numerical significance, but because of your unmatched talent, skills, and vision for development. For this reason, you should be deliberately included in decision-making, not as mere inheritors, but as equal partners of development. I would be doing a disservice to you, however, if I did not urge you to analyze the theme and recognize that it is challenging you young people to see the development of youth not as a destination or a sprint, but as a relay race or a marathon. Viewed through this lens, we will then be able to simultaneously look back, look at our current circumstances, and look forward. In so doing, we can appreciate the foundation laid by the sweat and literally the blood of our ancestors. In so doing, we can critique our present circumstance and capacity. In so doing, we can manifest the consciousness that is expressed in the Native American dictum that we do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. While the social and economic circumstances of our existence may be different, intergenerational solidarity requires that we collaborate to ensure that this is a world in which we can all live peacefully with no one left behind. Such a world is only possible if urgent action is taken across all generations to achieve the global sustainable development goals. Such a region is only attainable if we in the OECS embrace our new strategic priorities that are perfectly aligned to the UN SDGs by accelerating regional integration, reinventing our economies, valuing the environment, building resilience, and advancing equity and inclusion. Recognizing that many of our populations in the OECS are aging rapidly, it is your responsibility as young people to ensure that the world we are creating seeks to design policies and programs which adopt a lifelong approach which seeks to actively engage all ages. Diversity of views makes us all wise. It is our responsibility from this time on, therefore, to raise awareness and eliminate the barriers to intergenerational solidarity in our OECS. Let us be known as the corner of planet Earth in which young people are at the epicenter of our developmental trajectory, and that by harnessing the skills, talent, and visions of all of our people in a whole of society approach, we can ensure a sustainable future for us all. Happy International Youth Day.